Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the global cigarette and tobacco manufacturing market, based on the latest report from Stats and Research, published in February 2025. Let's start with the big picture. In 2023, the global tobacco market was valued at around $924 billion US. By 2031, it's expected to hit nearly $1.09 trillion. That's a steady compound annual growth rate of about 2.4%. While cigarette consumption is declining in many developed countries, rising demand in emerging economies is keeping the overall market on the rise. Now, what's driving this market? Traditional cigarettes still hold the largest share, making up nearly 48% of the total. However, the game is changing. We're seeing rapid growth in alternative products like e-cigarettes, heated tobacco, and nicotine pouches. These are gaining popularity as consumers look for what they perceive as less harmful options. On the packaging side, single packs dominate the market with over 80% share. That's largely due to convenience and regulatory limits on bulk sales. Interestingly, the premium price segment is growing the fastest. This is driven by rising incomes and government taxes that reduce the price difference between regular and premium brands. Regionally, Asia Pacific leads the charge, especially China, India, and Indonesia. In fact, China's state-owned China National Tobacco Corporation controls a staggering 96% of the domestic market and is the largest tobacco company in the world. Globally, the market is highly concentrated. Just 4 companies, Philip Morris, British American Tobacco, Japan Tobacco, and Imperial Brands, control more than 65% of total revenue. Looking ahead, the biggest opportunities lie in innovation, especially in reduced-risk products, and tapping into the premium segment. But the industry faces big challenges too, including tightening regulations, growing health awareness, and the ongoing fight against illegal tobacco trade. That wraps up today's quick insight. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more market breakdowns, and let us know what industry you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.